Hello friends, subscribe to our channel Pharma for You and hit the bell icon for regular pharmacy updates.
Hello friends, I am Bishwajit. I will be discussing patents and its perspective in India. What is patent? Patent is a form of intellectual property that gives its owner the legal right to protect their invention. When a person gets a patent, they get an exclusive right to prevent others from making, selling and importing the patented goods or the goods prepared by patented process. There are generally three types of patent: utility patent, design patent and plant patent. The term of utility patent and plant patent is 20 years, whereas for design patent the term is 15 years. Now coming to utility patent, these are simple inventions which are novel and inventive. This could be product or process. Now with respect to design patent is basically a type of registration which is given to aesthetic or appearance of a product, not related to functional aspect of the product. Its term is actually 10 years, which can be renewed further to 15 years. And the plant patent, this concept is a US concept where we can get patent for a sexually reproduced plant, but in India there is nothing like plant patent. Rather we have Protection of Plant Variety and Farmer Right Act, under which we can farmers can protect the newly crossbreeded plant or new plant species which they come across, they grow in their fields. Now what can be patented? A patent can be a process or method, such as a process which is new and it has lesser number of steps, it saves cost, it has better yield, gives good purity product. Similarly, a composition which should be new. A composition can be a combination of product or a single active ingredient with other components, or simply it could be a alloy, mixture of elements. So any composition is patentable. And third one is research. Research is an important aspect. We can file patents for research when they are drafted in a suitable product or process approach. Like a research can be converted to a product or process. Usually most of the colleges file patent, but those are related to activity of drug or activity of molecule. However, I will suggest that these type of research work should be converted into product or process to get patent. Now criteria for patentability. There are three major criteria for patentability. First one is novelty. It should be new, not published anywhere in the world. Inventive step. It should have technical advantage or economic significance or both. And third one is industrial applicability. It should have some use or application. Now what cannot be patented? Section 3 and 4 of the Indian Patent Act govern what things which cannot be patented, like scientific discoveries, living beings, new form of known substance, mere additive combination, traditional knowledges, business methods, mathematical methods and atomic energy related inventions. Now procedure for getting a patent in India. There is a simple procedure. You need to file a patent application which should satisfy basic requirements, like it should have a sufficient disclosure of your invention, which will comprise of area of invention or field of invention, then a background which comprises similar existing solution or products like your invention, and a brief about how your invention works, a detailed description of the invention where you will provide the steps, best method known to you for performing your invention, and advantages of your invention over existing knowledge or as you have cited in background. Now a patent application can be a provisional patent application or a non-provisional application. It is submitted at patent office without reference to any other application. The most important documents are form 1, 2, 3 and 5. Other documents like priority document and power of attorney may be required in some cases. Now I will discuss patent specification in detail. Patent specification are of two types: the provisional specification and complete specification. Usually a provisional specification is filed when the idea is in nascent state. Actual examples are not available or actual embodiments are not available, and in order to secure a priority date, a provisional specification is filed. And after filing a provisional specification, we have at least 12 months time to file a complete specification. Now complete specification comprises the detailed description of invention with all the steps, best method known to the applicant for performing the invention, and it should be submitted within 12 months from the filing of provisional specification. Further, sometimes like invention is not complete even after 12 months. So in such cases, before the end of 12 months, a patent applicant can file a request for post dating under section 17. Thereby they can get an additional extension of 6 months to file a complete specification. Now, where to file the patent application? There are various territorial jurisdiction. We have 4 patent offices. Head office is at Mumbai, and other branch offices are in Chennai, New Delhi and Kolkata. So Mumbai territorial jurisdiction, state of Maharashtra, Gujarat, MP and the other states as mentioned here can file patent application in Mumbai. Similarly in Chennai, the states of Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Telangana, southern states can file. In Delhi, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab and other mentioned states can file, and Kolkata is for rest of India. So basically this jurisdiction is created for ease of applicant, and further like a person from MP where he will file a patent, whenever he will choose his while filing he will choose the address of applicant, then from the address he will be choosing Madhya Pradesh. So automatically the patent office website or the form will direct the application to patent office Mumbai. Thereby their application, earlier the application numbering system was different, so state various state names used to come like 123/MUM 2010, but these days the patent application numbering system has been changed. So accordingly, based on this jurisdiction, your application number will be different. Now also in design we have Patent Office Kolkata and its branches at New Delhi, Mumbai and Chennai. The head office for design application is Kolkata. Thank you.